Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to log in to your Bluehost cPanel. I'm now inside my Bluehost hosting account, and to access your cPanel, simply click on hosting from this left side menu. Before I show you how to access your cPanel in Bluehost, let me tell you about my online university that you can access today for free. Inside this online university, you get access to multiple courses that will help you with your online business, including this one about Bluehost. With this Bluehost online course, you can learn many things, including how to set up your WordPress, how to manage your email account, domain name, optimize your website performance, and also billing and account management. To get all of this for free, simply go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Let's go back to our tutorial. Now scroll down to quick links and hit this cPanel button. And this says how to log in to your Bluehost cPanel.